Oh, Nora got up.
You're done. You're done. She's done. Hi, Dad. Should we get matcha? Hi vlog. We are at the H Mart in Florida and it's like a little like shopping mall in here. It's crazy. God needs to not give me a car because that's why I'm out here every day. Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. This is Stephanie.
Hi vlog.
I'm cute. Go ahead, ladies.
We're about to get sushi.
This is insane. Let's go.
Do you want to build a snowman? You ready?
No. Hi vlog. I'm with Kayla. I haven't vlogged anything else from this one. So Kayla just asked if we could buy just the brownie, and then they gave us just the brownie. And they gave us two. What are you
No, now you gotta eat both.
Oh, okay. Well, I got free brownie, and hopefully it doesn't have nuts in it. Let's go. Hi vlog, we're with the photo pass people and we're going to see Santa. Go.
What?
We just met.
We just met Marshmallow Santa.
And we're headed to Chili's and we're gonna both get margaritas. Hi vlog. We're back at work, except we're not working today. Hi vlog. Honestly, look at the baby duck. Anyways,
You're so cute. Got a bananas Foster ale.
we did. We are currently at Epcot. I have not vlogged anything else today, but we're enjoying the last of the Food and Wine Festival. Hi vlog! We're at Animal Kingdom and we're gonna do some character dining. Oh, there you go.